Hey there guys, this quick tutorial is going to be how you are going to submit your Bulb About Me page to Canvas when you are finished. Double check and make sure you have everything. You have your WordArt as your name, you have your pictures, you've got your images, you've filled in the text, you've removed your brackets, you've added your WordArt, you've listed your favorites, done your best with that. First thing you'll notice when you go to the Canvas, you'll notice in the directions I have specific things that you need to do to publish your page before you submit your link. So you will go to publish, you will make it visible to KDISD, you will rename this to your name dash about me dot. When you're finished, hit publish. Then go up to the URL at the top, highlight it, right click, select copy. Go back to Canvas. In Canvas, it's showing right there the directions that we just did to copy the link. You're going to submit the assignment. You're going to the website URL, you'll right click and paste, and you'll select submit assignment. And again, that is how we are submitting our Bulb Portfolio About Me page to our Canvas assignment.